Gotta go up. All balls over the net. All balls over the net. Hit the sky. Hit the sky. Yes! Beautiful shot. Here we go. Gotta watch the ball. Gotta watch the ball. Gotta watch the ball. Here we go. Yes. Here we go. Gotta go up. Go up. You gotta feel like you're hitting them way up. You gotta feel like you're hitting them way up. Back up. Back up. Here we go. Here we go. You notice I want to keep going so that you get your concentration. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. You watch that ball, you're going to be hitting it every time. You got to swing. Beautiful. Here we go. Rag it back. Rag it back. Rag it back. Rag it back. You stepped that way. That was good. Rag it back. There we go. Rag it back. Here we go. Here we go. 4 more balls. Got to go up with that swing. You got to swing. Don't go backwards. Just one forward swing. One forward swing. So you're going backwards. Okay, stop.